Hey everyone, it's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. Welcome to the replay. So I kind of missed you all last week. I was not able to get on live, very busy schedule. So today I wanted to make up for it and give you a few tips on something, excuse me, that can help you fight disease and do quite a bit for you. So I just got off doing a podcast interview, which was really exciting. And I will be getting that in the next couple of weeks. So I'll give you all a shout out when that comes. But one of the things that came up was about turmeric. So I wanted to talk to you today about turmeric. It's been given a lot of hype. We know that, talked about a lot. So most people think about it in the form of a capsule. So you can go into the health food store, you can buy it in the form of capsules. But you can still buy it in the grocery store or in some of the organic places, like some of your health food stores that have a little food market. They will generally have it. And it's a great addition. I throw mine into a smoothie and it kind of looks like ginger, but it's got a dark outside. So I wanted to tell you some of the benefits of turmeric because it's something, especially if you're dealing with inflammation, bloating, even your immune system. It's a great help to people in this area. So it's an antioxidant. So what an antioxidant can do for you is fight diseases, and it can have a great anti-aging effect, which of course we all love the idea of, right? So also it's a great thing for anti-inflammatory benefits. So if you have arthritis, you have chronic inflammation somewhere in your body, maybe people have headaches, it's a great anti-inflammatory, so great to be able to throw into some of your foods. So one thing I'm going to say here is if you consume it in pill form, then it's not absorbed quite as well. So some of the studies show that because it's poorly absorbed in that way, if you're taking it as a supplement, then you should consume it with black pepper. It's also fat soluble, so if you're taking capsules, you might want to take it with fatty meals. And of course, it boosts the brain function. Great for improving memory. So as we age, isn't that something that we all want, is to have our brains still clear and still have a good memory. And it also helps to lower the risk of heart disease. So many people with the foods that we eat, with the diet that we eat, with our lifestyle, are more and more prone to heart disease of some kind, even just high blood pressure. So that's a great option. You can add it if you buy it fresh into a smoothie. You can do a stir fry with it. You can grate it and throw it into some of your vegetables. But one of the less known things about it is that it supposedly helps fight with depression. So those are some great benefits. So that's the fact that it's an antioxidant, which helps anti-aging and disease in general, anti-inflammatory, it boosts your brain function and improves memory, it lowers your risk of heart disease, and it helps with depression. So those are some great benefits for just a few little tiny, because that's all they are, and you only need maybe about this much. If you're throwing it into a smoothie, it's a great benefit for such a small amount of it's kind of like a root vegetable, but don't even know what you'd really call it. But look for it in your grocery store. It's in the vegetable section. Look for it. It's usually kind of where the herbs and spices are. And then you can look for it in your health food stores that have markets, or somewhere like Sprouts, fresh produce, anywhere like that. You should be able to find it. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them down here. And talking about inflammation, if you go to my website, I do have a free giveaway there about the top anti-inflammatory foods, so that you might find helpful. And as always, I would love for you to join my ladies Facebook community for tips on health, for recipes, help with sugar. That is, if you look for the Energized Busy Woman, you'll find it there. and I would love to see you in that group. So again, thank you for being with me today. I hope that this has been helpful. Any other things you would like me to address, I would love to do that. Just drop a comment below this video and I can get some information for you and do a live training on that. So thanks for joining me today. Thank you for joining me on the replay. And if you joined on the replay, just put hashtag replay. That would be great. So until Friday, I will talk to you then. Have a great, great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.